Shivanga means a limb of Shiva. You're anyway a limb of Shiva, okay? Shiva means that which is not. The huge body of that which is not has a few limbs. Now, one may be a galaxy, another may be a star, another may be a solar system, another may be a planet, another may be an atom, another may be you. You're already a limb of Shiva, but we want to bring this into your awareness experientially. So, a whole process which lasts for about 42 days is set up so that you go through this whole process to come to that experience. If we get connected to this dimension of life, health, well-being, prosperity, these things should happen. Above all, living blissfully is a natural process.